So if you've ever heard of OpenClaw or Clawbot and you don't know how to install it, this video will save you hours. Okay, so all you have to do is go to openclaw.ai. All right, make sure you don't go to any other domains, because when you do, you might be asking to pay for hosting. But OpenClaw is free and you can install it on your local computer. So when you go to openclaw.ai, you're going to see a command that you're going to copy and paste. You're going to select either your Windows or Mac, either PowerShell or CMD, which is our command prompt CMD. And all you're going to do is copy the code and inject it in your command prompt. So that is it. When you inject it in your command prompt, it's going to install OpenClaw for you. That is what you have to do, and wait for it to install. So while we are waiting, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any upcoming videos from us. You can ask that why OpenClaw? Okay, OpenClaw is an agentic AI tool that helps you and work inside your PC. You don't need to host it anywhere. It's hosted directly. It can also work in your VS Code. It can read your project files. It can help you debug. It's a faster workflow, and it's also AI assistant that you can give it skills and use it for other things. You can use it for Blender. You can connect it with Blender MCP and do 3D designs. You can really do a lot. You can automate businesses, YouTube videos, and a whole lot with OpenClaw. The limitation is just your imagination, right? So when you are done downloading, you have to connect with your model or authentication provider, and you can use OpenAI, you can use Anthropic, you can use Minimax, Gemini from Google and all that. And you need to use API key to connect it. The difference between the API key and the normal models you use in the cloud is that API key is pay as you go. So it's like a subscription base. It's not like a subscription base actually that you have to pay monthly. Okay, so you have to load your API key. And with the API key, all you have to do is go to OpenAI platform, because that's what I'm going to use. So we go to OpenAI, you go to API keys, and you're going to click on create new API. And mind you, this API key is not supposed to be seen in the public. So anytime you do it and it is seen in the public, or you are recording a video your API key shows, make sure you delete it. And I'm not going to show you mine. I'm just going to create my API key and connect it. So do yours and connect it with any model you want. Anthropic, Claude, all of them have API keys. So we're going to enter the OpenAI model, and we're going to paste our API key. And I'm going to use a default model, which is GPT 5.1. Okay, that is what I'm going to use. And I'm going to also continue with the Telegram bot. So as you can see, you can also use WhatsApp bot and control it. You can also use Discord, and a lot of options that are available. So we're going to select our Telegram bot, and let's open Telegram on our PC, and let's do some integrations. So we are going to load up Telegram, and we are going to search for Father bot. That is how we're going to create a new bot for our Claude bot. Okay, so just open your Telegram. So in your Telegram, search for Father bot. Yeah, search and make sure you select the verified one, not the unverified one. Yeah, so we're going to select the verified one, and we're going to click on start, and we are going to start creating our bot, and we are going to select a name for our bot. Make sure you definitely find a unique name, because you're going to go back and forth trying to find a unique name. So with this process, I'm going to go ahead and create my bot. So we are going to click on new bot, or / you can type / new bot, and it's going to prompt you to give a bot name, go ahead and select your name. You can go back and forth with it, but yeah, you eventually find some good name. And this bot is what you're going to use to control OpenClaw in your Telegram. Okay, in your Telegram, either on your phone or PC. Okay, so if you are not able to use the Telegram, you can always go back to your terminal and use your terminal. So after you're done going through with the back and forth, it's going to generate an access token. You're going to paste your access token in your Telegram bot section on OpenClaw, and you're going to go ahead and configure skills. You can configure skills now or configure skills later. So skills is you're going to give access to Clawbot some important skills such as GitHub integration, web search, and a whole lot, video generation and image generation. You can also skip and configure it later when you are through with everything. Like after installation, you can also come back and configure the skills needed for the specific assistance you want from Clawbot. So you can see the skills are a lot. Even Nano Banana is also a skill that you can use here. So meaning you can use Clawbot to generate images with Nano Banana Pro. You get it? And a whole lot of skills that you can integrate, right? But we are going to skip for now and continue with our installation. You can see there are video frames, which is a skill you can also install or train your bot to be able to create videos for you and edit for you. That is how AI has advanced now in 2026. Mind you, this is also a really high in demand skill that you can learn how to automate businesses, and you get a lot of offers on Upwork that is going to earn you a lot of dollars, because if you're able to learn how this installation is done and how to automate businesses, people are going to need your offers. Okay, you can build automations and sell later, like how people used to sell N8Ns automation systems. This is also another important skill set. So I'm going to also skip enabling hooks. I'm going to skip all these setups because I want to integrate my services really fast. So I'm going to skip and create my integrations and make sure OpenClaw is fully set up on my computer. Yeah, so there we go. OpenClaw is active right in my terminal. It's active in my terminal. We can go ahead and use it, open a new terminal and use OpenClaw, but we want it in Telegram. So what we are going to do is to go to our Telegram, and there is a pairing code. Right, on Telegram, we are going to copy our pairing code, and we are going to open a new terminal. And in this terminal, we are going to type OpenClaw pairing, approve Telegram, and you are going to paste your pairing code there after the message. And you're going to click on enter, and it's going to enable OpenClaw pair with your Telegram bots. The bot you created on Telegram and you name it. Yes, it is going to pair OpenClaw with it, and you're going to be able to control it directly from your terminal or your Telegram. Make sure you like and subscribe for this video. If you are new here, I am Emmanuel, and join me. We are really early in this AI technology, so make sure you don't miss anything out.